Yo, what's up? It is, all right, if it focuses, Tuesday, October 7th, currently at 6:04 p.m. and 4 days in a row where I take no trades. So I made $0. So obviously coming into the day, we make new all-time highs right before market open. So at 9:06, as you can see, we make new all-time highs and then we start dumping down a little bit. Where's market open? Market opens right here, right? So we get this SMT with this swing low right here. So I'm like, cool. ES is looking to continue higher as well. So that means the Nasdaq is. I'm gonna look to tap into this 15, and then continue higher. We never got an entry, right? I would have been really like it would have been really nice to see it immediately off of open. Little Judah swing lower, little 1 minute gap, shoot up, all time highs, easy. Use standard deviation as another TP point. Boom, get the day done by before 10 o'clock. But look at what we do. We just chop, bro. Like we just like it's chop, it's chop, it's chop, it's chop. Back and fucking forth. So look at this. We have this 1 minute, inverse it down with the SMT. Then what do we have? This 1 minute, inverse it up. This was actually a not so bad trade because it was a 3 minute right here. This 3 minute, that's why I have it circled. It was we had, all right, look. Came down, tagged the 15 minute, went up, inverse that 1 minute down, swept here, then we bounced back down. So it's just a lot of fucking chop, bro. That was the thing about it. Look, 5 minute. Do you want to trade this? Absolutely not. So with this 3 minute, the only reason why I did actually look at it and think about it was because it was tapping into, I believe it was tapping into an hourly or a 4 hour gap. I want to say definitely an hourly. Definitely an hourly gap. It was tapping into probably like this hourly gap right here. I believe so. It might have been something like this. It might have tapped into it was tapping into something like hourly gap. I'm sorry that I don't remember. And then, right. But once it inversed, I had thought about it. And I'm like, to be honest, brother, it's too choppy, dude. I need this shit to not just bounce back and forth, inverse up, inverse down, sweep here, down, this, that. Like, that's what I'm trying to stay away from. That's not prime conditions. And today was just a shitty fucking day as far as conditions go overall. Look, this is the 3 minute. This is the 1 minute. What in here do you trade? Genuinely, like, what do you take? This 1 minute at the right here, and then you go get break even, or you get stopped out fully. And then what do we do again? We sell off a little bit. Okay, hope that we're gonna look to continue shorter. Then we just chop around, and by here the day was already done. Like we got no 5 minutes to fill, no 15 minutes left behind to fill to look for a continuation lower. Nothing, absolutely nothing, just nothing. And then one more thing before I chat a little more that I want to go over is that I was trying to get a trade to London low. My draw today, once we did this by 10:45, like 10:30, 10:45, 10:30, because I wanted to see this gap inverse. I wanted to see us go lower, and I wanted to see us take London, Asia, and even AM low. More so just London to Asia. That's what I wanted to see. My draw on the day was that, because once I seen that we failed, ooh, look like I'm balding. Once I seen that we failed to take all-time highs immediately, because if we wanted to take all-time highs, we would have done it right here. We would have done it right at open. But then I started seeing us pumping down, inversing this gap. And I'm like, okay, so to be 100% certain, because we were chopping so damn much today, I want to see us inverse the lowest 15-minute gap and then have my draw switch to London low. Exactly what happened. But was I able to get an entry? Absolutely not. Absolutely not, right? I was going to take this on that account that ends the 11th, and it would have fucking smacked full TP. But I wanted to see the 15-minute right here. This one, where's it at? This one get inversed and a tag back in. So we got that tag back in right here. It was, I believe, the 9:40 candle or 9:30 candle, whatever. The 11 a.m. candle, exactly. We tag in. I'm trying to stay disciplined. Yes, this was going to be a full fucking gamble of a trade, but I want to be disciplined in it within a way. What do we have? No 1 minute. Okay, I was looking for even a 30-second. I would have been cool with a 30-second. Not a nothing. Pure barcode, bro. And then immediately after, it just pours. Absolutely fucking pours down to where my draw would have been. It's so annoying that I can't even get the entry. I'm getting the draw, but I'm remaining disciplined, and I'm keeping that so that I'm trying to find my entries through discipline. I'm not just trying to say, oh, sell button. Oh, buy button. I want to remain disciplined. I want to risk correctly, even though it was just going to be a full port since the account's getting canceled and I have only this week. And I just want to keep that structure, keep that foundation that I built. I don't want to start building bad habits and allowing bad habits to creep into my life. That's what I'm trying to avoid, especially with trading. So with that being said, it kind of leads me to a little segment I wanted to speak on. Basically, I feel like I'm doing a lot of these things right. You know, I'm disciplined. I'm not itching to take a trade every day. I'm waiting for that prime setup. I actually feel as though me not trading on my funded this whole month, the whole last month, was beneficial because what setups did I find that were valuable? What setups did I find were at least A- rated? That one on that Friday, but I just had a bad week. Nick, you know what happened that week. That lady crashed into me and some other shit, you know. So I just wanted to chill that week. Reasonable, understandable. I'm not mad at myself whatsoever. And the other trade, which was the last trade technically that I hit, was on a no news Monday. I'm not trading my fucking funded on a no news Monday. It was an eval play. Cool. Easy, cool. Those were the last two trades that I feel as though had good delivery. I've taken other trades. I've taken other trades that I'm not mad at whatsoever and I don't regret. And I lost. That's how the game goes. So now I'm just waiting for that entry that truly is valuable for me to enter on. Even on eval, bro. Like, I just want something that's maybe B rated. And I'm not getting any of that. So enough of me rambling. What I'm trying to get to is like, in a way, essentially, I feel like I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm not itching to take a trade. I'm managing my risk correctly. I'm showing up every day. Breaking down. I'm journaling. Nick, when you watch back, you know you've been journaling, bro. Keep it up. Good shit. I'm watching price. Like, I'm learning the little shit. I'm picking up on my discretionary outlook on the market. I'm keeping in tune with news. I'm doing the little shit, right? And I'm getting no results. I'm still having to show up to my job every fucking morning at 7:50. I still have to go to school every day. Well, college, you know, online classes. I'm still dead broke. Not dead broke, but like, you know, like I'm not in the financial position I want to be in. I'm still never seen a fucking dollar from trading. It's just, you know, it can be demoralizing. It definitely can be demoralizing. But I'm not going to let that affect me. I know that these are just the tests. These are just the small tests that are going to lead me to my greater outcome. Being able to remain disciplined in times like this where I feel like, oh my gosh, you know, I need the fucking money. I need this. I need to pass this. If I'm able to remain disciplined within these times, the hardest times of my trading journey, the hardest times of quote unquote, but let's just even say my life, I know I can do it. I know for certain I can do it. If I can maintain this current mindset that I have right now during these harsh times, I know I can do it. And I know I will do it. So basically, damn, I still haven't gotten to the point I was trying to get to. I still haven't, right? I don't know exactly what is my problem. Like, I don't 100% know for certain what is my issue that's holding me back. It could be bad price, right? Because I feel as though delivery on these trades are just not it. Or it could be me being fearful still. That's a problem I've had since day one that I've been working on, and you can see it improving. Nick, you know it's improved. You can see it. Could it be my lack of preparation? I'm trying to really pinpoint what my issue is. That's what I'm trying to get down to the bottom of. Because I feel like I'm waiting on setup sometimes, and I'm kind of asking for too much almost here and there. Not here and there, a lot. I'm always seeking that A+ setup, which is okay. If we're going to be dealing with real money, it's okay. Even though it's annoying as hell, I got to take one trade and lose like $2 or $3 every week on my funded that's already in drawdown. But it's okay because I'm waiting for that right time. I'm waiting for it to be my time. You know, let me put on my smart man glasses too. I'm waiting for it to be my time. I'm waiting for it to be the right time. The time that I need to stay down to. Like, I just need to relax. Not relax, but I need to stay down. I just need to head down and keep it going, bro, until it is my time to truly take off. And if like I said before, if I can keep the same mentality through what is going to be the worst and roughest time for me throughout this journey, and not just this journey, throughout the current state that I am in life, everything's going to be okay. And I kind of worry myself too much at times. I get anxious, I get this, I get that, and I worry myself. But everything in the end will play out. I know that it will. I'm showing up every day and I'm doing everything right. It's just a matter of time that it comes to me. Hey yo, it's like nah, that it plays out and breaks and just breaks through. And it's the same for anybody else who is watching this down the line. Nick, you know, you'll see this down the line and you'll be like, damn, yeah, you were right. But it's the same that goes for anybody else watching this. It's like, just keep working. Your time's gonna come. As long as you continue to put in the effort, even through the roughest times, those are your tests. That's you being tested. Just continue to head down and work through it. That's you being tested to see if what you're working towards, you are truly deserving of. So just always remember, just keep pushing, just keep working, just keep on. Like I tell you every time, I'm gonna end the video off here because I'm rambling mumbo jumbo. If I end up like, if a couple people find this video and you actually want me to go deeper in detail on that, drop a little comment. Drop a little comment. And drop a little comment if you made it this far. But yeah, like I tell people, not at the end of every video, but at the end of most videos, which I should be saying at the end of every video, set those little goals to work towards that big grand goal of yours. Just chop at it nonstop as much as you possibly can, and just work at it. Just try to better yourself each day. Progress. It's about progress. You're never going to be perfect. Nobody will ever be perfect. Nobody is perfect. It's about progress. Just keep that progress up one step every single day, and that end goal will be achieved no matter what it is, no matter how long it takes. Just keep working at it. And until then, I got to go make a TikTok. I've been trying to also make like one TikTok every weekday. And that's another like little thing that I added onto my one step each day. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and then I gotta do homework, and I gotta do this video, like edit it and upload it, and I gotta like type out my journal that be in the description and shit. So yeah, oh, what's up? It's like, no, I'm from the east. But on that note, it's been 12 minutes. Just I'll catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday. Let's hope for something nice, juicy, and a freaking banger. As you can see, prices moving away from them all-time highs. So let's get it.